Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out in Stony Hill and we're showing you a new development that is being built out here. This is off Long Lane right by Four Winds, close to the Orange Grove area. Now, today we are going to talk about shell apartments. Now, a company recently announced that they were going to be building shell units. That is, well, shell apartments are residential units that are delivered in a structurally complete but internally unfinished state. Typically, the developer completes the foundation, frame, roof, external walls, windows, doors, and basic utility connections. However, internal finishes such as tiling, ceiling, cabinetry, plumbing fixtures, and sometimes even internal partition walls are left for the buyer to complete at their own pace. Now, what do you guys think of this? Now, one of the major benefits of this is that you would get the unit cheaper. Some estimates say between 30 and 50% cheaper because those finishes are expensive and you can choose what finishes you want based on the price, and also there will be no markup on the finishes because you're buying the unit separate. So guys, let us know what you think about this. Now, the trend in Jamaica is to sell finished units. And in places like Montego Bay and on the North Coast, luxury developments use high-end finishes and they get premium prices. But because there is such a large demand for housing in Jamaica, if they were to go the route of selling shell units, one, the units would be handed over much quicker because they would spend less time building them, as the finishes do take time also to put in. And two, as we said earlier, the cost would be less, making it more affordable. Now, I'm not sure if NHT would give loans to buy shell units. That's something that would have to be worked out. Okay, so we are going to give you an update on this idea of shell apartments. Jamaica's housing challenges, Jamaica's housing challenge has become one of the most pressing development issues of the decade. Rapid urbanization, rising construction costs, higher interest rates, and limited access to affordable mortgages have pushed some home ownership further out of reach for many middle and lower income Jamaicans. Against this background, the concept of shell apartments has emerged as a serious and timely proposal within the country's building and housing discourse. Shell apartments are residential units that are delivered in a structurally complete but internally unfinished state. Typically, the developer completes the foundation, frame, roof, external walls, windows, doors, and basic utility connections. However, internal finishes such as tiling, ceiling, cabinetry, plumbing fixtures, and sometimes even internal partition walls are left for the buyer to complete at their own pace. This model reflects how many Jamaicans traditionally build homes, incrementally as finances allow, but adopts that approach to multi-story apartment living, particularly in urban and peri-urban areas. The renewed interest in shell apartments is driven largely by affordability pressures. Fully finished apartments now routinely exceed the price range of first Fully finished apartments now routinely exceed the price range of first-time buyers, especially in Kingston and St. Andrew. By removing developer markup on finishes and fittings, shell apartments can significantly reduce the upfront purchase price, making entry into home ownership more realistic. Developers and housing advocates have argued that this approach could complement existing housing programs supported by institutions such as the National Housing Trust and the Housing Agency of Jamaica, especially as Jamaica seeks scalable solutions to meet long-term housing demand. From a planning perspective, shell apartments support higher density development, which is essential for sustainable urban growth. Instead of continued urban sprawl, apartments allow more people to live closer to jobs, schools, and services. Shell units, in particular, make this density more socially inclusive by lowering the cost barrier. This is especially relevant in the Kingston metropolitan area, where land scarcity and infrastructure strain demand smarter use of space rather than endless outward expansion. Shell apartments also stimulate the local economy beyond the developer stage. Buyers typically engage local contractors, tradesmen, and suppliers to complete interiors over time, spreading economic activity more widely. This incremental finishing process aligns with household cash flow realities and reduces reliance on large loans. Alright, guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, have a good day.